Hey guys, in the fast lane here. For demonstration purposes, let's just say that this battery doesn't have any markings. There's no negative or positive. How are you going to find which one's negative or positive? I'm going to show you real quick. Just take a multimeter. This one's a pen multimeter. Just going to power it on real quick. And I'm going to go, you can just leave it to auto, but I'll set it to DC. And we will take this. Now we know the right side's positive, left side's negative. But we're going to do it the opposite way. So we have positive over here, negative, but we're going to put the negative probe on the positive and the positive on the negative. Now watch what happens to the multimeter. You see that negative? This negative right here? That's indicating that it's backwards. So that means that this is the positive. When we do it correctly, you can see how we don't have any negative symbol. That shows that it's the correct way. That's how you identify negative, positive. Here's another demonstration. We have negative here. When we touch it here, you can see we have 1.82 volts with no negative symbol. But if we swap it around, where we have the negative on the positive, you can see right here we have a negative symbol. And that's how you do it. It's super simple. Anybody can do it. You just get a regular multimeter, plug it in, test on one side of the leads, other. Sometimes you're looking for a negative chassis. You can even do it with the chassis. Hold the negative on the chassis, touch around. If it doesn't show a negative symbol, then that's whatever you're touching with the positive, that's the positive. But if you touch it and it shows a negative symbol, then whatever you're touching is actually the negative ground.